Welcome back. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I hope it turns out good. This is a new one for me. I've never done it before. But we have an old 24 horse Onan. I believe it's a 24 horse. Came out of a Mustang skid steer. It's a gas motor. But we're having a problem starting it because where the starter goes, here, let me show you. So where the starter goes, you can tell that the castings broke out. Now the guy that this was bought from decided it was a good idea to drill and tap a hole here. And he had this side welded, but he used what appeared to be MIG wire. Steel MIG wire. And this is an aluminum casting. So we're going to go ahead and we have some aluminum stick rods. We're going to lay it in here. We're going to have to drill it and re-tap it. Now I have got most of it cleaned up, but I have to preheat this from studying and figuring out what the best thing to do. They say to take the parent metal up to about 400 degrees and then start welding. So I'm going to look to verify that before I start. And then we're going to go ahead and try it. So again, like I said, I've never done aluminum. It's going to be new for me, so kind of a learning experience. So stick around till the end to see how it turns out. Alright, so we're going to start by using a infrared thermometer. As you can see, we're about 73 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and preheat it here. So after verifying I was wrong, it's not 400 degrees. It is, it's not 400 degrees. We need to preheat it to 200 degrees. So I'm going to go just above the 200 degree mark. That way, while I'm getting everything else ready, it can come down just a fraction. We're going to do one at a time here because I don't think preheating it both is going to help. Lower one, I'm at 208-ish. Upper one, I'm at 128. And it is cooling down quickly because the aluminum is a very good heat conductor. And it will then start pulling the heat into the rest of the motor. Okay, so as you can see, let me move the light here. There we go. So as you can see, we got it welded up. Kind of got it gobbed on from what I've been able to see. We're going to go ahead and get the grinder, kind of smooth this out a little bit. Then we're going to have to drill and tap these holes. So that way we can bolt the starter back on. So as soon as we get this cleaned up and everything, we'll give you another look. Well, we got it welded up. We took the starter, we set it in place. Did a center punch where the holes need to be. We're going to go ahead and drill it and tap it. We are drilling it out with 5/16 drill bit. And we'll be tapping it with a 3/8 by 16 tap. There we go. What's nice is on the back side, even from manufacturer, it was busted open. So we have a through. We can hit this with the air and blow the shavings out the back. I don't know how tight you want to put them, but that's snug. Alright, so we got that motor done. We got it all welded up. Got it drilled out, tapped. Got the bolts in. One bolt was a little sloppy. It's not perfect. Then again, I mean, the engine is older. He just more or less wants to use it to move some logs around. It turned out better than I expected. Not a big fan of the aluminum welding rods, though. They are a very, very active rod. Very hard to control. Again, this was my first time ever doing aluminum. I do plan on trying to make another video update after he gets it put back together, because we took it over yesterday and went to set it in place, and there's a PTO drive shaft, power takeoff, going to the pump that runs everything in the machine. The one U-joint was frozen solid, so he's going to get new U-joints, work on getting that put together, and whenever he does get it running, I'll try to get a video and post it here. I can't make no promises, depends on how quick he does it and what I have going on. But other than that, it turned out really good. Really good. I really appreciate everybody in this past year that have subscribed and helped me to grow the channel to what it is. I still have a little bit more growing to go, and I'm trying to get as many videos posted as possible. If anybody has any suggestions on what kind of videos they'd like to see, please drop a comment down below, and I'll see if I can do it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you really would like to help, please hit the subscribe button. Bell icon, it'll notify you anytime I upload a new one. So until next time, guys, be safe out there.